Okay, next. Smith and Jones, both 50% marksmen, decide to fight a duel in which they exchange alternate shots until one is hit. What are the odds in favor of the man who shoots first? So, ano daw yung, kumbaga, ano yung probability na mananalo yung unang titira? No? So, pero parehas naman sila na 50% lang yung probability na makakatama. Alright? So, ganito lang yan. So, um, actually, maraming scenario ito. Ang unang scenario natin, no? Scenario 1. Scenario 1, no? Okay, yung first shooter, tinamaan niya na kagad. So, ibig sabihin, tapos na. No? Tinamaan niya na kagad. So, ibig sabihin, first shooter hits. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, anong probability nun? The probability ng scenario 1 is just 1/2. Tapos na. Hindi na kailangan tumira nung pangalawa, no? Kasi panalo na siya eh. Di ba? Di ba sabi sa problem, they will exchange shots until one is hit. No? So, ibig sabihin, tapos na. Okay? Pero, hindi lang yan yung pwede maging scenario. Second scenario is first shooter miss, nagbintis, no? Tapos, syempre, ang gusto natin, manalo yung manalo yung unang tumira. So, yung second shooter, which is yung opponent, no? Kailangan mag-miss din. Okay? And then, sa third, saka lang sa tama yung unang shooter. Okay? So, ang probability ng scenario to would be 1/2 na makakamintis. Kasi di ba, ang probability ng success, 1/2. Probability ng fail is also 1/2, no? And then, yung second ay magmimintis is also 1/2. And then, yung probability na yung third ay tatama will also be 1/2. So, this is our third, or I mean, second scenario. Okay? And then, what else? What's the other scenario? What's the next scenario in this pattern? So, next is, yung unang tumira, nakamintis. So, dapat magmintis yung pangalawa para manalo pa rin yung unang tumira. And then, yung third, kunwari, nagmintis ulit kasi kung nagtumama, edi parehas lang yan sa scenario number 2, no? So, magmimintis ulit yung third. Yung fourth, magmimintis kasi yung odd numbers represents, I mean, yung even numbers, yun yung magre-represent ng opponent, eh, no? So, laging mintis yung even number. Tapos, sa fifth, no? Sa fifth na try is makakahit na yung first shooter, no? So, ibig sabihin, yung first nag-miss, yung second nag-miss, and so on hanggang sa fourth nag-miss. And then sa fifth pa lang tatama. Okay, so ano yung probability sa scenario na to? So 1/2, sa second 1/2 din, sa third 1/2 din, sa fourth 1/2, and then sa fifth tatama. Pero 1/2 din naman yun, no? So ayan. Okay? So, well, actually, as you can see here, you can see already a pattern, no? Dito, kapag sinimplify mo to, this is just 1/2 raised to 3. Ito naman, this is just 1/2 raised to 5. Okay, and therefore, yung scenario number 4 nito will just be 1/2 raised to 7. Kasi ang mangyayari sa second scenario, kailangan naman magmintis yung unang 6 na tira, tapos sa pangpito, yun na yung next na turn ni first shooter, tatama siya. No? So, yan. And so on. No? Okay? And basically, yung probability, okay, that the first shooter wins will just be the probability of the first scenario plus probability of the second scenario and so on. Okay, so i-add lang natin yan kasi ang ibig sabihin lang yan is pwede yung scenario 1 or scenario 2 or scenario 3 and so on. And di ba, sa probability kapag ginamit mo yung term na or, no, that means we will be adding the probabilities. Okay? So in short, ganito lang siya. 1/2 plus 1/2 cube plus 1/2 to the fifth plus 1/2 to the seventh and so on, no? Okay, and ano to, parang infinite series ito, no? So to simplify this, we have to take note that the sequence of numbers being added represents a geometric progression, no? Bakit? Kasi meron silang common na factor or ratio. So the common factor here is 1/4, no? Lagay natin sa baba, no? Note. So this is a geometric progression with common ratio equal to 1/2 squared or 1/4. So, paano natin nalaman yon? Kapag kinompare mo to dito, no? So, ang ano nila, ang ratio nila is 1/2 squared. 'Di ba? Para ito maging 1/2 cubed, mag-multiply ka ng 1/2 squared. Tapos ito naman, para maging 1/2 to the fifth, mag-multiply ka ulit ng 1/2 squared and so on. So, ano lang sila? Geometric progression na may common ratio na 1/2 squared. So, ibig sabihin, we can simplify this sum using yung infinite sum ng geometric progression. So, kung naalala pa, that is A1 over 1 minus 1. So yung A1 natin will be our 1/2, of course. Yun yung first term natin. So that will be 1/2 over 1 minus 1. Okay, 1 minus 1/2 squared. Kasi yun yung common ratio natin, 1/2 squared. Okay? And that gives us 1/2 over 1 minus 1/2 squared. That's just 1/4, no? So that's 2/3. Okay, so the probability that the first shooter will win is 2/3. So, lamang talaga siya, no? So, and logical naman na mas lamang talaga yung unang titira, no? Compared dun sa uh, second na shooter. Okay? So, that's how we solve this problem.